Good morning. It's a cool morning here. 1 degree this morning. Unfortunately, we got heat here, so I've already started. I should have started my video, but what I'm doing now is I'm sanding out my primer. 320 then 400. I found 320 knocked the top off quicker, and then 400 over real quick. This is, you can see when you sand, you got like little, I call them like orange peel pit marks. That's from the high build. And if you sand them until they're gone, that's how you know you're good. Your panel's good to spray after you wash it down. So I'm just removing all of them. This 2K sprays on nice. It's Nason 2K. I like it. Other people have their own preference. Some people use PPG, whatever they choose. Myself, I like the Nason. Seems to stand nice. Already did the top edge. The easiest way to do the top edge, just drop down to your edge. Kind of like a 45 all the way around. Same thing in the face. Orange peel looking effect, or you'll be able to tell when it's prepared. That's what I did at the top. So when you're doing body work, you don't have to sand your body filler or your putty right down with 320. You can do it with 80 or 100 or 120 or 120 rather, because your high build primer, if it's a good enough quality, it should fill the scratches, which I find Nathan does fill the scratches quite well when it builds up. Some people use an orbital, what I call the DA sander, on this. I don't like to use, myself, I like to use a block. I find this way to keep everything straight. You get a little buildup in paper. Tap it onto your hand. Buildup will come off pretty easy. always sand, we're gonna sand the whole thing. And then wash the panel down. I use, it's got Exalta. So Exalta VS1000 surface cleaning solvent. Clean the whole panel down, and then I'll sand the rest of the black with 320 and then 400. Blow it all off. I have to do the tailgate as well. It's going to be all painted black. Sand it down with 320, blow it off. So yes, this truck, I'm doing just the box and the tailgate. The inner fenders and outer fenders, outer wheel wells you've seen, sorry, inner wheel wells, outer wheel wells. And then I'm going to bag the cap with plastic. It's I use Norton Overspray protective sheeting. Comes in a few different variation of feet, 16 foot, 12 foot. I believe there's a bigger, that's all I use though. So just give you the steps of what I'll do on this truck so you guys can do it for yourself. Hope these tips were helpful, and everybody have a good day. And if you like what you've seen, hit the like or share button. I'd be greatly appreciated. Thank you.